Speak sponsored by rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 85% on prescription drugs. rxcardclub.com. 0.10 Foods that support digestion better than ginger. Ginger is often used to help with digestive issues, but other foods can be more effective. Kefir is a fermented milk drink rich in probiotics that can aid digestion, reduce gas, and support a healthy gut. Yogurt with live active cultures helps restore beneficial gut bacteria and can ease issues like constipation and diarrhea. Sauerkraut and other fermented vegetables provide probiotics and fiber for a healthy digestive tract. Peppermint can help relax the gastrointestinal tract and relieve stomach discomfort like gas and bloating. Chia seeds are high in soluble fiber that can help promote regular bowel movements and prevent constipation. Kiwi contains an enzyme that helps break down protein, aiding in digestion and regularity. Papaya contains an enzyme called papain that can help with protein breakdown and support digestion. Fennel may help relax the digestive tract and has mild diuretic effects. Pineapple contains bromelain, a digestive enzyme that can help break down proteins and reduce gut inflammation. Oats are a gentle, gluten-free grain that contains soluble fiber beneficial for digestion. rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 80% on prescription drugs. Less than /speak.